With over 3.5 million searches of car rental in the UK alone, the battle for online visibility is intense. Businesses are vying for attention in a crowded marketplace, which means you need to spend more on search ads. But do you? We have a cost-efficient alternative. SEO helps boost your website's rank organically, meaning your business can be on the top of the search results without missing a single potential customer. Key elements in SEO include keyword optimization, on and off page SEO, backlinking. Sounds difficult or too technical? Our starter kit is designed for mobility operators, whether vehicle rentals, leasing, subscription, or sharing. It is a simple guide to provide end-to-end assistance with templates such as SEO checklist, website analytics setup, and more to help you with your SEO journey. Just imagine, customers find your website easily, browse your amazing fleet, book with ease, and that's it. Download the SEO Starter Kit today and make your website work for you.